Hello, I'm John Fickner with Rock the Top Resurfacing, and I'd like to show you how you can get your bathrooms renovated and kitchens also for a fraction of the cost of a traditional renovation project. So back in the 50s, 60s, and 70s, it was pretty standard to line these bathroom walls with green, blue, pink, and yellow ceramic tile. The craftsmanship back then was great, but today those colors are just ugly. So in this bathroom, we're going to resurface the bathtub. We're going to resurface the ceramic tile walls. And we're going to resurface the ceramic tile chiclet floor and the vanity top. Let's say you got a ceramic tile floor and you got cracks going across it. Maybe you're even missing a few tiles here and there and you're worried that you absolutely have to replace that. You don't. We can fiberglass repair it. Same thing with toothbrush holders, soap dishes, towel bar holders, all that stuff. Resurface it, you'll never even know it was there. So we've got a lot of color choices to choose from, and we're trying to achieve a stone or granite look in a lot of cases, which is why we decided to call our company Rock the Top Resurfacing. So when we're done with this bathroom, it's going to be beautiful, it's going to be waterproof, it's going to save you thousands. We'll be in and out in 2 to 3 days.
Oh my, yes.
Oh my gosh, the
Yes.
blue is gone.
That ugly blue.
Wow. Oh my
Wow,
gosh.
this looks so good.
The bathtub.
This looks so good.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes,
the floor
and those
is
are
beautiful.
Babe, look, no soap holder.
All the soap holders are gone. The towel rods are gone.
Toothbrush holders,
Toothbrush holders
Oh,
gone.
It just like updated
This
it
is-
times 100.
oh. Yes, and
This
it
is
goes,
beautiful.
and it goes with the green. It looks so much better now.
Yeah.
Also, the cost of replacing a tub, because that's cast iron, would have been atrocious.
And the tile, if we would have got this ripped off, I mean, they would have had to put drywall in and we had to get new tile floor, so thousands. Thank
Thousands.
you. Thank you again.
Wow.
I'm glad you gave me the opportunity
Oh
to show
my
it to you.
goodness. It's been a year coming, so like I said, you guys got us in there so quick to be able to
Yeah.
do all of that for us.
Yep, demolition like this, dusty house, and it would take 3 weeks.
We did it in 3 days.
3 days.
3 days.
3 days. It's amazing.
Time and money. What more
Time
could
and
you
money.
Yeah.
And nothing goes in the landfill.
There you
Oh,
go.
You guys save the planet.